Good day to all. Today we can discuss about the types of data and types of variables in the subject foundations of data science. So types of data. So what are the types of data? First we can discuss. So what is data? Data is a fundamental concept in statistics and data science. It refers to a collection of actual observations or scores gathered through surveys, experiments, or any systematic investigation. So the types of data determines what kind of statistical analytics is most appropriate. So precise form of statistical analysis often depends on whether data are qualitative, then ranked, or quantitative type. So qualitative means it represents in the form of words, letters, or codes, representing some classes or categories. Ranked means it is in the order of numbers, one like 1, 2, 3, representing relative standing within a group. And quantitative means we are going to represent an amount or count. So based on that, we are going to discuss about each and every type now. So first, we can discuss about the qualitative data. It consists of words, yes or no, letters Y or N, numerical codes are 0 or 1. So this qualitative data are one of the key things is it is actually we are representing as blood type A B O, then gender male or female, then answers like yes or no. So what type of question, what kind, which category, how much, like that all will be coming under qualitative data. And the second one is ranked data. Ranked data consists of numbers that represent the relative standing of observations within a group. So first to then 40th place as an example. So it reflects, the values reflect relative order. So the difference between the adjacent ranks is not necessarily should be equal. Okay. So this third type quantitative data, it consists of numbers like weights of 238, 178, like weight in LBS that represents an amount or a count. So in detail, we can discuss one by one. So in quantitative data, example, we can take student weight data. So the weight reported by 53 male students are quantitative data. Any single observations that represents an amount or weight. This makes it measurable, comparable, and suitable for arithmetic operations. So this quantitative data, what are the key characteristics? It represents real measurements or counts. Arithmetic operations are valid and meaningful. A single observation such as 160 lbs represents a true amount of weight, making it quantitative. So this quantitative data is further classified into two types. One is discrete data and another one is continuous data. So what is I think having two subcategories. So what is discrete data? Discrete data is a type of quantitative data that can only take specific isolated values, typically counts. So there are gaps between possible values. So this is obtained through counting. So example, height of students in a class, we can marks obtained in a class test, number of children in a family, everything will be coming under the discrete data. Next is continuous data. In continuous data is another type of quantitative data that can take on any value within a given range. So temperature range. So this is the duration of then we can say salary range of workers in a factory, time taken to complete a task, all will be coming under this example. So what is the major given character analyst when we are going to analyze this continuous data, we have obtained, we can say that this continuous data can take on any real number value within a range. This is ranked data. So what is from the name itself we can say ranked. It is going to give a rank. It consists of numbers that represents the relative standing of observations from 1 to n number. So the value reflect the reflective or relative order from first, second, third to nth place. The rank also the ranking students from first to 15th place based on their exam performance. Then race finishing position first, second, third. Then ranked data answer the question what is the relative position within the group. Everything will be coming under this ranked data. Next is qualitative data is represented in the form yes or no replies. Each single observation is a letter that represents a class of replies, not a measurable amount. So this qualitative data categorizes rather than quantifies. So we can already we have discussed it can be used with zeros or ones, yes or no, or that answers what kind, which category, and how much. Next, this qualitative data is further classified as nominal data and ordinal data. So what is this nominal data represents? It consists of categories that are names that cannot be ordered or ranked. So the categories are simply labels. There is no inherent hierarchy. So what are the examples? Male or female, blood type AB, like that. Then nationality, religion, color, everything will be coming under nominal data. What is ordinal data? So these categories data, they consist of categories that can be ordered or ranked. So the previous nominalists cannot be ordered or ranked. So unlike nominal data, the order category is meaningful. So example, we can say education level, elementary school level, middle school level, high school level, college level. Or example, in job position, we can say employee, supervisor, manager. Then customer satisfaction ratings, poor, fair, good, excellent, all will be coming under the ordinal data. So based on this, we are going to give some levels of measurement. So what is this levels of measurement represents? It specifies the extent to which a number actually represents some attribute of the observation. So this concept is somewhat crucial. We are arranging as four types of four levels: nominal scale, ordinal scale, interval scale, ratio scale. What is nominal scale? So we are discussed about nominal data, right? Similarly, categories without order. Only equality can be assessed. Blood type, gender. Ordinal scale, ordered categories, but difference between ranks are not meaningful. Example, satisfaction ratings, education level, we are measuring as ordinal scale. Then interval scale, ordered values with equal difference. So 0 degree to 35 degree. So Celsius, temperature. Like that, we can have some interval scale. Then ratio scale, ordered values with equal difference and a true zero. All arithmetic is valid. That is weight, height, age, income. Everything will be coming under the ratio scale. Then types of variables. What is a variable? A variable is a characteristic or property that can take on different values. And we are categorizing as several many types. The first category is discrete variable or continuous variable. So what it consists, discrete variable consists of isolated numbers separated by gaps. There are no in between values. Examples: number of children in a family, number of foreign countries visited, size of the US population, everything will be coming under this discrete variable. Examples: continuous variables, numbers whose values have no restriction. So what is no restrictions and can take on any value within a range? Example, weight of male statistics. So it ranges from 140 lbs to 185 lbs. So we are going to take any one of the weight. The duration of the events, standardized test score like SAT, GRE, everything will be coming under this continuous variables. Next is approximate numbers. So this is a important practical reality about continuous variables. That is that values are always approximate when recorded. Because we are going to give a range. In that range, it should be some values, right? So in theory, values for continuous variables are carried out as infinity, like weight 140.01438. We are going to approximate as 140. So a student listed as 150 lbs actually weigh between 149.5 and 150.5. So we are going to round off the number, right? So this is considered to be the key concept in continuous variables. One of the key concept is approximate numbers. Next is independent and dependent variables. So most research studies and experiments are investigate relations between two or more variables. So understanding this is by categorizing as independent variable and independent variable. What is independent variable? So the independent variable is the variable that is measured or observed as an outcome. It is observed as an outcome. So it is believed to be influenced or caused by the independent variable. So it is measured, counted, or recorded by the investigator. So example, one study example. A psychologist investigate whether couples who undergo special training in active listening tend to have fewer communication breakdowns than couples who receive no training. So what is that is whether in India, in the case of independent variable, whether or not the couple receives active listening training. When going through independent variable, number of communication breakdowns are between to each couple. In this study, we can investigate. So the definition for a dependent variable is taken as it is that measured or observed as an outcome, and the dependent variable is measured or counted or recorded by the investigator. It represented an outcome. So we have given an example, right? In that example, we are testing whether how many number of breakdowns between this each couple will be coming under. So this is your types of variables. So types of variables, there are two categories: dependent and independent variables, then discrete and continuous variables. Similarly, levels of measurement: nominal scale, ordinal scale, interval scale, ratio scale. And the types of data, there are three types. The three types of data: qualitative, ranked, and quantitative data. So hope you have understand this. Thank you.